Hi friend, my name is KariAnne Wood and I am so excited and thrilled to be sharing all the tips and DIYs and creative ideas from my new book, The DIY Decorate It Yourself Home Planner. This course is designed kind of like we're having coffee and sitting down and talking about the homes that we love. I want to share tried and true shortcuts that save tons of time. I want to share ideas for creating a home that you love. There are 8 videos in this series. We'll cover space planning and how to select a paint color, and we'll talk about ideas for flooring and creative wall treatment ideas and how to accessorize a bookcase. This course is designed to supplement the chapters in the book and give you extra projects and helpful hints for each of the chapters. Your home is unique. Your home is one of a kind. Your home is a reflection of who you are. And you, my friend, are perfect just the way you are.